Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Advanced Excel for Visually Impaired Students by Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, choose all notifications to get latest posts. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel to get latest applications and updates at all. Okay friends, so those who wants to participate with us, please support our channel by submitting your opinion, which we have posted in our community tab. So go community tab and submit your poll, submit your opinion where we have asked something. We always try to ask something, try to get your opinion. Okay, so in this video we will learn the second part of data validation. But friends, before start, I need to clarify one thing. In the previous video, I have made a mistake. What mistake? In my case, the data validation is not working properly. Why? Because I have already applied conditional formatting on that cells. So that's why it is not working. So you are not allowed to use conditional formatting and data validation at a time. Suppose you have applied a conditional formatting of time or date, so you can only apply the data validation regarding this. But in my case, I have applied data validation of decimal numbers in the cell where the time conditional formatting or the date conditional formatting is already applied. So that's why in my case it was not working. But let's see, today I'm just going to show you.
Date of joining D1. South mobile.
Let me reduce the speed.
Slower.
Okay.
Name A1. Mobile number.
Mobile
D1,
number.
Batch of 123,456,000.
Yes, it's working. And now I'm pressing right arrow.
Salary. 2.
Salary.
Decimal input between 1 and 10. C2.
So 2 means 2.0. Here I have typed 2.0. Okay. So this is what I have made the mistake. Now let's come to today's point. Today we are going to learn data validation 2, how to restrict your cell with date and time. So let's start. For this, I need to choose another column.
Date of joining. Blank.
So date of joining. I want a person who have joined January 2022 will be eligible for a particular training or for a particular salary increment, everything. Okay. But I want to apply this type of data validation or restriction. How to do that? Let me go to the
all day upper
data validation
leaving
tab.
menus, leaving ribbons. Date.
I am not repeating all the shortcuts every time. If you don't know what are the shortcuts or how to use, just watch my previous video which I have uploaded yesterday, so you may get the idea. Okay, so I am pressing tab.
VV. Allow combo box. Any value.
Allow. So let me press
Whole decimal. List 4 of 8. Lip date 5 of 8.
So date. I'll tell you what is the option of list, but before this I want to tell you date. So I'm pressing tab.
Data combo box between. To change the
Data.
selection, use the arrow.
So between,
Not between. 2
not
of 8.
between,
Equal to 3 of 8.
equal to,
Not equal to. Greater than 5 of 8.
Greater than.
Less than 6 of 8.
less than,
Greater than or equal to 7 of 8.
greater than or equal to. So I need to apply this type of data because either January 1, 2022 or greater, right? So I'm pressing tab.
Start date. Edit. Type in text.
Start
Alt plus S.
date. Here you need to apply the date. The format is mm/dd/YYYY. This is the default format for MS Excel.
Num lock on.
So let me type which means 01 slash
01 slash
01 slash
01 slash
2022. Then I'm pressing tab.
2022. Ignore blank checkbox checked. To clear checkmark, press space bar. Alt.
So I'm pressing tab again.
Clear all button. OK button.
I'm clicking on spacebar on OK.
Space. Blank. Date input greater than or equal to 1 slash. Nay. Rajav. Blank. Date input greater.
Now I'm going to enter a below date. So I'm entering 4 slash 5 slash 2016 2016. I'm pressing enter.
2016. Enter. Microsoft Excel dialog. This
It's not
enter.
working, right?
Escape. Date of blank. Date input greater than
Now I am typing
blank. Date input greater than or
5 slash 5 slash 2022.
2022. Enter. Blank. Rajav. INR 44,686.
Okay. So in that cell I have applied the INR condition. So let me change the change the conditional formatting here.
Protection number category list box home general enter 44.
Yeah.
Rajav 44,686. Date input greater than or equal to 1 slash 2022. D2 contain.
Okay, so let me
Control
change it.
1 number tabs category list box general 1 of 12. OK cancel. O enter 44,000 blank. Date input greater than or equal to.
I am tapping again.
Edit.
5 slash 5 slash 2022.
2022 at Rajav 5 slash 2022. Date
Wow,
input,
it's working, right? So I am pressing tab.
time of joining blank E2.
Okay, so I am just let me check whether any data conditional formatting is applied or not.
Control 1 number tabs category list box general 1 of 12.
No.
Escape.
Not anything.
Date time of joining.
So time of joining. So I am planning, or I want to add, or I want to tell the Excel the below condition, like the person who have joined or who have enrolled before 10 a.m. can only eligible to access something, or can only eligible to get the offer, or whatever you want. Okay. So I'm going to data validation tab, then press tab.
Allow combo box.
From allow combo box, I'm choosing
hold that lip date time. 6 of 8.
Okay, I'm pressing tab.
Data combo box between
not between,
not equal to 3 of 8.
Equal to,
not equal to, greater than
less
than 6 of 8.
Less
Less than or equal to 8 of 8.
Less than or equal to,
less than 6 of 8.
or less than. So I need to choose less than because I want before 10 a.m. not 10 a.m. I mean within 9:59 a.m. Okay, I'm pressing tab.
End time. Edit. Type in text. Alt plus
End time. How you should type the time? First hours, then colon, then minutes, then am or pm. Okay, so I'm typing 10 colon
10
00 am. I'm pressing tab.
00 a.m. Ignore blank. Clear all button. OK button.
I'm
to
clicking
activate,
on OK.
press space. Microsoft Excel dialog. The time you entered for the end time is invalid. OK button. Space.
Okay, just
data
let
combo
me
box.
check.
Less than touch. End time. Edit. 10 a.m. Type in home. End time. Edit equals C2. Escape.
Okay, let me do this again.
Date of time of joining. Blank. E2. Alt A. Leaving menus. Leaving VV. Allow combo box. Any value.
Okay, so for the time input, you have to use the 24 hours time format. So you have to type 10 colon 00 for 10 a.m. and 22 colon 00 for 10 p.m. So I'm typing here 1300 hours 13 colon
13
00.
00. Enter.
It's not working.
Escape.
Now I'm giving 8
Edit 8. Type in 8
colon 45. I'm pressing enter.
45. Enter. Rajav. 8:45. Time input less than.
Okay, so it's now working and it's very, very interesting. So this is for today, and I think you have learned how to restrict yourself with date and time. In the next video, we will learn how to create drop down menu. Yes friends, how to create drop down menu in your Excel sheet. Then you can choose any of the options from that drop down menu. If you have interest, then why you are waiting? Please hit the like button. Please share the video with your friends and family. Why you are waiting? If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press bell icon, choose all notification to get latest posts. Also, let me know into the comment section. Are you excited to know about the drop down creation? Yes or no? So I want to see everyone's comments who are watching this video. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying with me till the end. See you in the next episode. Till then, stay safe, stay trained. This is Ratul signing off.